I'm Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm trying something new today. If this works out, I do have a lot of new canvases, so if this works out or not, I'm going to keep on trying until I have some nice effects. Going to make some acrylic pouring art. Alright, let's get mixing. So let's start with mixing the paints. There's one thing I know, that this is going to be very messy. But for everything first try, for everything first time, what you don't do, you don't know. So let's go. Good base of pink, always a small tiny bit of black, and then switch it back up to a new color. Let's go with yellow, not too much, bit of black again, and a bit of blue. I'm blue, da dee da 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 dee da da dee da da. I'm my home. And back to pink. A good amount of pink. Black. Yellow. And let's finish it off with pink, 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 pink. And even a bit of lost pink in there. Alright. Oops, I already made a drip drip. Now I am going for a nice flow. And I think I'll be doing it like this. Okay, so what I'm immediately seeing is I don't like the blue in here. I really don't like the blue. Like this black, yellow, pink, I like it, but the blue, I don't like it. I really don't like it. Okay. Now it's time to do the magic you all have been waiting for. I don't want to lose too much of the nice colors I got going on. I'll try to keep it a bit in your direction so you can see what's going on with the painting. Okay, I don't mind a black edge, and now let's try to get this big black part a little bit filled in. Okay, so this is the first thing I came up with. I'm not liking it too much, I'm not liking it too much. So maybe we can, what can we do with it? You know, since it's the first one, I'm going to immediately try a new trick for myself and see how that works. So let's go grab the hairdryer. And let's see what this thing does. So it's not doing a lot, it's mostly making the bubbles pop. Okay, finished result. Absolutely not happy with it. Let's immediately do a second try and let's just use a whole lot less paint, more black on the ground, pink as a base color, and yellow, and we're gonna mix pink, black, yellow, black, pink, black, yellow, black. Maybe I missed the black, I don't know. But let's do it again, because I'm not liking this, how it turned out. If you like it, let me know, give it a thumbs up in the likes, and I'm for sure going to try more of this. But let's right now go into the second painting, because I'm not okay with this. I'm so damned afraid that I didn't even film. Like, how stupid is this? I'm scared. I think I wasn't filming. So if you've missed it, and I wasn't filming this entire thing and everything I said in between, because I said a whole lot. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it. I didn't like this one, and I don't like this one. What I do like is what I said, big black stains with a small tint of yellow, and I don't know if you can see the pink in there too. That's what I like. So next project, I'm going to use a whole lot of black, a little bit of yellow, a whole lot of black, a little bit of pink, and we can keep on going like that. But we're going to make something more like this. Afterwards, I also said I do have some more canvases. I got more projects in mind with the pouring acrylic. We got glitter projects upcoming, glitter and glam, pink, gold, tints, and also some pearl. We also have pearl, but the pearl is something I'll be using when I'm more refined with all of this, because as you can see, it's quite a mess, and I'm not talking about what's around here. That's also a big mess, but it's a big mess on the boards. So yeah, peace. I'm